Could you survive a nuclear war? Not the Hollywood hiding behind a car while bombs fall version, but a real, full-scale, everything goes wrong nuclear apocalypse? You've probably wondered, just how bad is it? Spoiler, it's worse than you think. But maybe, just maybe, there's a way to survive. Let's break it down. What is a nuclear war? A nuclear war isn't just one bomb. It's hundreds, even thousands, fired between major countries. Targets, cities, air bases, submarines, missile silos. The goal? Eliminate the enemy before they can eliminate you. This means dozens of major cities vanish in minutes. Each explosion can destroy everything in a 5 to 10 kilometer radius. What happens first? Let's say it's 10 a.m. You're at work or school. Suddenly, air raid sirens scream. A flash in the sky. And then, nothing. That flash was a nuclear detonation. If you were in a city and saw it with your own eyes, well, you wouldn't be watching this video. That flash was hotter than the sun, and the shockwave flattens buildings. But if you're far enough, say 20 to 30 kilometers out, you've got a shot. What kills you? Let's count the threats. Blast wave, pressure so strong it turns homes to dust. Thermal radiation, third degree burns up to 10 kilometers away. Ionizing radiation, the invisible killer. Fallout, radioactive ash drifting for days. Infrastructure collapse. No water, no power, no food. Panic, humans doing dumb things in chaos. So even if you survive the blast, the real game starts after. How to survive? Here's what actually increases your chances. Check mark distance. Be far from strategic targets. Shelter, underground bunkers or basements. Time, stay indoors at least 48 to 72 hours. Air filtration, use anything to filter fallout dust. Stockpile, water, canned food, flashlight, batteries, masks. Even a thick wall or pile of books can reduce radiation by 90%. Most deaths happen in the first 2 weeks. If you survive that, your chances go up massively. Long-term problems. Let's say you made it. Now what? The skies are dark. Crops fail. Nuclear winter causes global famine. Society collapses. Disease spreads. Governments fall. But small, prepared communities might rebuild. They'll have a massive advantage. Think underground facilities, farming skills, radiation medicine. So can you survive a nuclear war? Yes, but only if you're lucky, prepared, and maybe a bit distant from city skylines. Just don't count on Hollywood-style heroism. Because in a real nuclear war, the only thing faster than light is regret.